Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using the characters and tools you already have. Switch between Donkey and Diddy to exploit strength versus agility. Once done, enter the level paying attention to shiny hints and odd geometry. Orbs usually hide in tucked-away spots. Make sure to use simple moves first. Roll, jump, and short flutter to reach ledges. Move deliberately along platforms and inspect breakable walls with ground pounds. These early actions expose the most accessible orbs without wasting time on risky maneuvers. Now you push deeper into trickier territory. Prioritize mobility options to reach orbs placed high or behind obstacles. Once you identify a suspicious platform, combine a ground pound with a short jump or Dixie's spin to extend horizontal reach. Using Diddy's boost can clear vertical gaps. Make sure to trigger switch platforms and time barrel shots precisely, because many orbs require synchronized movement. Also, check submerged tunnels and alternate exits after clearing enemies. These concealed routes often hold multiple orbs. Finish by securing each orb and returning to the stage exit so the count registers. Don't assume pickup until you see it reflected on the map. Once collected, save immediately to lock progress and avoid replaying long sections. If an orb refuses to appear, re-enter the level or swap characters. Some orbs need a specific Kong ability to spawn or be reachable. One key troubleshooting trick: reset from the world map and replay the section with deliberate movement. This often fixes glitches or missed spawns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.